Yo, what's good? Superstar here, back with another video, and for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make a nutritious breakfast. Anyways, the main ingredients that you need are 1 cup of peanut butter, or if you want to be really healthy, half a cup, half of this banana, and some scooters. This is already open because I was hungry before making this video, so yeah. Open it up even more. Open up this banana. I'm only gonna do half because I'm on a diet. And if you don't have a knife, just like cut it up with your hands, since I'm the only one that's gonna be eating this. What happened to this banana? Why is it all brown? You know what? I'm only eating a quarter because I don't want to poison myself with rotted fruit. Bye, banana. Well, this part is still good, so put that in there, and the rest will be trashed. Now, time to chop off the rest of this. Okay, that's enough. Now, the next thing that I'm gonna do is the exciting part, add a little bit of peanut butter. Now that I took the peanut butter out, I will put only a little bit inside.
Wow.
Let's try this out. Wow, this tastes amazing. If I were to rate this one from a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it infinity out of 10 because this is the best breakfast that I've ever had. Anyways, if you don't want to have any indigestion, I recommend Scooter cereal, some peanut butter, and a banana. Anyways, I love y'all so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below your guys' opinion.